Hello guys, log into JKG. In GKG Academy, we are doing small experiment related to battery and DC motor and resistor. Here, our students is explaining regarding that. Vipul is explaining some theory part. Yeah,
My
go
name is
ahead.
Vipul. I am from 8th standard. So today we are doing the physics experiments. His name is Dilip. His name is Dheeraj.
Yeah.
Dheeraj. So this is a lithium ion battery. So the lithium ion battery is the copper coil the the copper coil present inside the battery.
Battery का DC motor.
DC motor.
And go with theory part. Resistance, voltage,
Resistance.
Ohm's law.
The Ohm's law. The voltage is directly proportionally to the current. The proportional consistency is resistance. Proportional. The SI unit of voltage is volt. The SI unit of resistor is ohm. The SI unit of current is ampere.
Ampere.
Ampere. Uh,
Formula for Ohm's law.
the formula for the Ohm's law V equals RI. In battery the chemical energy present, so it is converted into electrical energy. The experiment of electrical energy is the
Chemical energy is converted
chemical
into.
energy is converted. In battery there is a presence of a chemical energy, and which is converted into light energy.
Okay, light energy or electrical energy?
Electrical energy.
Then
Next
go
we-
with
then go with
what is the SI unit of voltage? Volt. Then power.
the SI unit of power is
Formula of power.
formula. The formula of power is volt by time.
Huh.
The- So we are moving to the
Volt.
next activity.
Work by.
Work done by time.
Huh.
So we are moving to the next activity.
What is the SI unit of power?
The SI unit of power is a volt or joule per second. Next we are moving to the
Power SI unit watt.
sir,
Volt
watt.
కాదు.
Sir,
Wrong చెప్పినాను.
watt.
Watt or else joule per second.
So,
క్లీన్గా చదువుకోవాలి. స్టార్ట్ చేయి ధీరజ్.
next we are moving to the second activity, in which
Experiment part.
experiment. So the first
ధీరజ్ will explain experiment.
so the experiment continues to Dilip.
Dilip.
This is chemical energy. Chemical energy is converted into electricity.
Electrical energy.
Electrical.
Electrical energy. Electric energy is converted into wind energy.
That's it. Light. Explain the part of light. Remove that fan. Utilize one more battery, man.
That's not working.
LED bulb. You take your LED bulb. Prepare formulas very well. Don't confuse SI units and formulas.
Resistor.
Resistor.
This is a resistor.
This is a
Resistor.
LED bulb and switch.
And
This is a fan.
wings.
This
Race. Explain some.
chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, and this
Rays are coming.
this rays are coming
out.
The
Say the full form of laser.
L means light. A means amplification. S means stimulating. E means emission. R means radiation.
Say in the sentence.
Light, amplification, stimulating, emission, radiation.
Very good. Then we are almost done with this experiment. Simple experiment just for the learning terminologies. This experiment is used to learn the terminologies present in your science book. What is resistor, and chemical energy, light energy, laser, fan. Just one imagination will come na while doing lesson. That's it. While doing electricity, one imagination will come in your mind. Thank you. Signing off. JKG. What?
That activity.
Which activity? Dheeraj will continue that activity. Don't worry. Yeah. Signing off. JKG. What you are doing? Okay.